And the last thing we know is that the two place them at peace. Why him would have dip on the ground? No say something happen and don't go link them. We definitely have to find King. I get a report from Stinger still, but it's not definite.
You might have to use one stone kill two birds when you link numbers.
Yeah, because him are the key person who have all of the information in this. You see any cameras over 21?
Well, yeah. This trusted device shows that there's one camera.
Boss, you know me da wonder what that do. Pop out boombox and a tembo device.
It is a boombox, but it is also a device. You know Pops them and him device. So, were you able to get any footage from it?
But do more than that. I disrupt the feed. I'ma collect 1 month of footage on my phone. But I have to delete my TikTok. You know how much space that take up? But no worry yourself. You depend on this.
So you got through it?
Yeah, me da go through it. But it not reach this yet. Based on all the camera position, it pick up everything.
And you're sure that are the only camera in the area?
Based on the device, yeah. And if you look on the area which part it happen, I know what if a fancy house there.
You know, say that no mean nothing though. You notice every ghetto house now have a camera.
Well, this not detect none on the outside. Just the one house I tell you about.
Alright, good. Next assignment. Whisper. You getting close to Vicious bartender. Finding out what she know. And if anybody approach her. Yeah?
Awa? Boss, you what? Tell me when, just give me a date.
Bartender!
You remember I used to tell you that recently storm clouds are gathering, we have to be prepared. So someone get on board with that. Knowledge is power. Knowledge people don't know you have is absolute power.
I'd like to want him a visit to find out what is happening.
This kind of information going to elicit without creating too much suspicion is best elicited behind closed doors.
Well, the bar closed down. You can't meet at the windows. So, but they got now. Unless they can't just carry it.
Carry where?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to upset you.
I'm sorry. I'm fine. I just have trigger moments, but I'm getting better.
So, how did you hold it together for so long?
After a while, I just got numb. I felt like I was just floating with no safe place to land.
How did Tony get to you to go after Mullins?
Hmm. Through Martin. Tony became Martin's right hand just to get through to David.
Why didn't you go through with the plan?
Hmm. Believe it or not, I thought I was still in love with him. Hmm. But no. Hmm. Hmm.
But no.
I stayed true and loyal to David out of fear. I just felt like I couldn't go anywhere at all without this man finding me.
So, you're saying you have never been able to get away from him?
He just always seems to know where I am and what I'm doing.
And what would make this any different? What if he knows what you're doing and where you are right now? I don't agree with Daly on a lot of things politically, but I have to wonder, is this the case? What if you were sent here to infiltrate us?
Marcus, you should ask yourself this question. What would I gain from this?
Mullins is a master manipulator. What if it's a case where he's using you to get to us?
You do know that I have a PhD in psychology, don't you?
Yes, I do know, Dr. Mullins. But you could be using it on me right now.